Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Intro. Wala pa! Game. Okay, we're gonna play a Chubby Bunny challenge. That. Okay. No, Daddy will start.
Daddy. Why? Daddy, ew!
Say, Chubby. No! Lagyan mo lang!
Oh, yeah, oh.
Or
Chubby
say,
Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Ay, Chloe.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Daddy. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Let's go! No! Chubby Bunny. Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chloe, no! Your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn. 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Dali na.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Good try ka na, ha?
Judge ako. Mommy, can I be a judge?
No, don't judge.
Yeah, that's a judge. I'm gonna be a judge.
Huh?
Bye!
Chubby
I'm gonna
Bunny.
be a judge. Bye!
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
I'm gonna get outside. Bye-bye. Now I'll be the judge. Daddy, don't eat!
Chubby Bunny.
Daddy, don't eat! Daddy, don't eat it. Daddy,
Chubby
don't eat
Bunny.
it. I'm gonna eat some yogurt.
I'm so sorry. Daddy won! Yay! Oh my God, ang hirap pala naiyak ako.
Me too, Mommy.
Yummy, be.
Mommy, open the yogurt.
Okay, we're done with the Chubby Bunny challenge.
Yeah,
And Daddy won.
yeah.
Ilan yun, be? 10? 7. Kumapito, 7. Ako din 7, kaso
I think a
hard
yogurt.
to speak.
What is that, Mommy? This is
No guard.
Yeah.
So we're done. Bye!
Yogurt. Oh, I don't like the yogurt.
That's my favorite. You turn it off. Bye!
Bye, guys. Wait for my next video.